What's going on, guys? So today we are out here in Elkhart, Indiana at the Alliance Open House event, taking a look at a bunch of really amazing new floor plans from the folks over at Alliance. In front of me, you are looking at what has to be one of the coolest floor plans I have ever seen. I think you're going to love this thing. Hang tight. I'll be right back. Okay, starting with the numbers on this unit, it is going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 19,000 pounds. So this thing is pretty heavy, so keep that in mind. In terms of towability, I would definitely put this behind at least a 1-ton truck. I would not put this behind a 3/4 ton truck at all. Has a cargo carrying capacity of 3,684 pounds. It rides on twin 8,000 pound axles, 17.5-inch H-rated tires, and it has a dry weight of 15,256 pounds. Now, we're going to show you some really cool things about the interior, but there's a lot going on outside as well, including the new Curt touring suspension, which is absolutely cool. I revealed that on my channel, as well as the Helix pin box from Curt. So check this out. So this is the new suspension pin box from Curt with a coil spring in here and a shock absorber up front. This is the Kingpin version, but I do believe they have a gooseneck version, and I don't know if it's out yet, but very, very cool to see the folks over at Alliance using the newest technology in terms of towability. Coming around to the side here, we have propane on both sides, 30-pound propane cans already installed. Looks like you could easily fit 40-pound cans, which is really nice if you need that extra capacity. Really nice pass-through storage, motion detection lighting, 3-inch aluminum bath deck material. They have their Tough Flex PVC roofing on here as well. It is a wide-body RV also. We have our sewer pipe holder down there, or storage. This is on a drop frame. And here's some information on this specific unit. Paradigm luxury fifth wheel, 42 feet 6 inches long, 13 feet 6 inches high, dry weight of 13,920 pounds, GVWR of 16,800 pounds. So that is a little different than what the sticker says over there. Has a hitch weight of 2,904 pounds, and that's usually based on the dry weight. 98-gallon fresh tank, 106-gallon gray tank, 106-gallon black tank. A lot of capacity in this unit. So we're going to go up the MORryde step above steps and take a look inside of this 395 DS. Love the fact that they use Asdel on the outside and the inside of the wall, essentially making this a fully composite sidewall. Okay, stepping inside. Check this out. It's a beautiful, beautiful layout. And I've never actually seen this exact layout in a fifth wheel before. But we'll kind of start from this section, work our way back, and then we'll check out the front area. So, in our kitchen, has a beautiful kitchen. It's a very kind of toy hauler style kitchen though, because it's relatively compact, even though it is very, very well laid out. They brag about shut-off valves at all locations, nice solid surface countertops, soft closing hinges, magnetic holds, which they've been doing for a while. Has the upgraded sprayer right here. You can see liquefied gray tank treatment. Liquefied is actually sponsoring these videos, so big shout out to my friends over at Liquefied. Matt's RV Reviews. Beautiful. Backup camera prep, they put stickers everywhere. The drawers are reinforced. Not soft closing, but they open and close really nice. I like that. A drawer inside of a drawer. Yeah, the drawers open really, really well. A lot of times when you go into RVs, you pull a drawer and it kind of sticks or it jams. There's your fuse and breaker box. Over here you have a Lusso residential stove oven. Very cool. Not very familiar with this brand. I think this is kind of one of the newer brands that have hit the market, but very, very nice to see a full drop-in range here. Also has a residential size microwave. I love the colors and tones, and I really like the LED accent lights up top as well. On this side, you have a beautiful Furrion refrigerator, 2 drawers, and more storage up here. All flush floor, and something you're not going to see are heating registers in the floor. I love this pantry. You guys know me and adjustable shelves. I love the fact that they've put adjustable shelves in here, and I like the motion detection lighting in here as well. Nice door, frosted glass window. Love the dinette area in front of a huge, huge window. And this is kind of cool because you can rotate this table so you have seating on both sides of it. MCD roller shades, which are really nice. This is kind of the best when it comes to what brands to look for in terms of roller shades. Taking a look at the living room real quick. So you have your theater seating right here. You have a love seat which can turn into a bed as well. Beautiful valances. I love the trim around the slides. I love how the TVs actually reset into the wall as well. You have a huge panoramic fireplace. All right, let's climb up these stairs so you can see the loft space. So you have a loft with its own air conditioning unit up there. Looks like there's some ducting up there as well. This is really, really nice. Okay, let's work our way into the bedroom. All right, coming into the bedroom, you have a queen size bed in here. It doesn't look like it'll fit a king size bed, which I think most people are okay with, right? And I think it oftentimes depends on how the floor plan is laid out to determine whether you can fit a king or a queen. But a queen looks perfectly fine inside of here, considering this is a second bedroom. Nice headboard, looks like it's a padded headboard. Some nice reading lights above it. You have your thermostat here. Coming around this way, a lot of drawers. I mean, you have what, 9, 10, 11, 12 drawers in here, plus your flip up counter right here. This door slides. You got more storage up here. And on the opposite side, this door also slides. So this is really cool. So you have your Santa Marin toilet. This is a macerating toilet, an electric toilet, and your flush buttons are actually over here. Have a nice large window there as well. Huge medicine cabinet. Very, very tall ceilings in here also. Then you have a nice solid surface countertop here with undermount stainless steel sink. Continuing on, very, very nice setup in here. Absolutely love the shower surround. It is a wallboard type material, so it's not a solid marble material, but it looks great, and it is actually kind of thick, so it's not just some cheap wallboard covering. It looks really nice. A lot of height in here. I love the adjustable shower arm as well. And then you have 3 drawers. Very nice. What do you guys think? Let's go around to the front and see what's going on over here. Okay, so another sticker indicating no carpet in this unit at all. Right, so this is now the front of the RV. Again, so far what you've seen is your kitchen, living room, rear bedroom with queen size bed, full bathroom in the back, loft above with a dedicated dinette area. And now we're coming to the front of the unit, which also has a full bedroom, king size bed, along with another full bathroom. So this is a huge fifth wheel that has a ton of space for a very large family, or even for an average size family that wants a ton of space. Residential one-piece shower. Real quick, I'd like to give a big shout out to the folks over at Liquefied for sponsoring this video. So you guys probably know Matt's RV Reviews, good friend of mine, great content producer, and he is the founder of Liquefied. So they make this toilet treatment. They make all sorts of different treatments. They make gray tank treatments. They have the individual pouches if you'd want. They have a toilet treatment right here. It's a powder formula. And Liquefied has absolutely been exploding with growth. Definitely go check them out and use the promo code BTBRV. You get buy one, get one free right now for your toilet treatment. So definitely go check that out, and that's for your first purchase. You have your porcelain toilet here, and this is a foot flush toilet with soft close seat lid, which is really nice. You don't see that in a lot of RVs. It's a very soft close lid. Up here you have twin medicine cabinets. So you got one right here, and then you have another one right here. Soft closing, magnetic holds, solid surface countertop, undermount stainless steel sink. Again, really nice shower stall in here. And this is a frontline shower. Nice adjustable shower arm as well. And then you have your seat over here. Now stepping into the bedroom, king size bed. You have your USB and 110 power on the sides as well. Okay, so up here, this actually utilizes a ducted air conditioning system with the RV airflow system. Basically, it's a system that allows the air to flow directly into the ducting, making your AC a lot more efficient. And these are all Coleman Mach Quiet Series air conditioning units. Back here, we have the hidden storage as well. This is something they kind of pioneered, then everyone started doing. Nice drawers. You have your TV mounted in place. It is a smart TV. Nice little bench right here. And storage. Yep, storage underneath it. And is very typical to Alliance, a beautiful, beautiful front closet with tons and tons of space and the ability for you to put a washer and dryer in here if you'd like. So you'd put your washer on this side and then your dryer on this side, and your water connections are right over here on the wall with the frosted glass window there as well. This is an absolutely beautiful fifth wheel. What do you guys think? Let's hop outside and quickly take a look at the outside. Okay, so now that we're on the outside, as you can see up front again, this does have the Kurt Helix pin box, that cool suspension pin box. It has the new hydraulic leveling system from the folks over at Lippert. It is an auto leveling system. And underneath, you can see this frame design. So it has a 10-inch I-beam frame that's reinforced and then double reinforced with the new Kurt touring suspension. Let's get a closer look of it over here. So we have our Cooper Work Series tires. These are H-rated tires. You can see the trailing arms on the suspension, dual shock absorbers at each wheel location. That is a beefy suspension. It still utilizes a solid axle or solid axles, both front and back. But again, this is kind of a semi-independent suspension because of how it works. When you see these red brake drums, that means that it's equipped with the Lippert anti-lock brake system. Very, very cool system. All right, coming around this way, rack and pinion slide over here. Then up here, we have all LED lighting on the back. You have your ladder to get up top. This does have a receiver hitch on the back. It is rated for towing. You have your four-way connector here, chain loops. This is designed to tow up to 300 pounds worth of hitch weight and 3,000 pounds worth of towing capacity, even though I never recommend towing behind a towable unit. You have your cable-driven slide-out mechanism for this back bedroom area. It's a very small slide-out, so that's probably not that much of an issue. This is the exact slide-out system from BAL, which is actually considered to be a better cable-driven slide system. Over here, we have another rack and pinion slide-out. Can't fit through there, so we're going to go around to the other side. Okay, swinging around to the other side, we have a really nice storage setup right here. Great place to be able to put some of your cleaning supplies, maybe your sewer hose, electrical, stuff like that, so you don't have it in the same basement storage as everything else. 50 amp connection. You have your water heater right here, as well as your furnace. And I love the wet bay here, especially the fact that they put the slide out controls out here in this area, which is really convenient because if you are trying to push your slides out and you're next to a tree or another RV, or you're just in a tight scenario where typically when you try to put them out from the inside, you may not see what's going on. Giving you slide out controls out here really makes that part convenient because you can absolutely access everything and see everything as it's happening. Plus you have electronic take control valves here as well. Your 110 power Nautilus water control station. Very, very nice. Then you have this kind of a split door system here because there's a slide out, and it's really the only way to open up both doors with the slide out pushed out like this. Then again, you'll have your other propane can in here. This is where your auto level controls will be. Then you have some storage up front. This is your battery box. More storage up here, along with your power and battery disconnects. And then a spot for a generator, if you choose to have one installed. If not, extra storage. Very, very cool. What do you guys think about this unit? They're doing a lot of things right at Alliance. There is solar on the roof, though I don't know exactly what the specifications of that solar is. But they definitely are doing things right, and they have stepped up their game tremendously. And Alliance has always been doing that. I mean, they've always been an innovator, and they've been able to kind of keep themselves a few paces above everyone else, to the degree that a lot of people tend to copy what they do. So there's a lot of reasons why you may want to look at an Alliance Paradigm. Anyways, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a comment below. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.